Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm here with some makeup tutorial, drugstore, beginner friendly. Yes guys, everything that I'm using today is under $10. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so first things first, you know my face is moisturized. For my face primer, I'm using this Milani. Okay guys, and I'm going to be using some Milani Prep and Brighten Rose face oil as well. So let's get into it. I like how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yep, so I'm using this. Oh my gosh, it feels so good as well. What? Okay, and you know me, I have to, make sure my dark spots are sealed. So I'm going to be, putting some concealer on them. I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I love this, guys. This is my favorite go-to, so yeah. So I even use this in my other, makeup tutorials. Alright guys, so I'm just going to be applying that all over on my dark spots, like the way I'm doing right here. It works very well, okay? Anyway, so you know me, I'm just using this fan that I got from Amazon. And for my brows, I'm using this Revlon Stay Brow Pencil. Okay, so, just line. Just like follow your natural eyebrow, just line it like this. And I like to go like right there, like feather it down because I accidentally cut off my brows, so that's fine. Girl, the struggle is real. Oh my gosh. Coronavirus needs to go. Okay, so I just like line it like that, and then I just start like filling them up like that. So you can just like use little strokes like this. It depends on how you want your eyebrows done. So today I just, if you want them like really thick, you can add a little more. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be using this clear, gel. This is by COVERGIRL. And I'm just going to be using this, I'm just showing you one side and then I'm just going to do the other one, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys how I get my eyebrows done. So I'm just going to, tap a little bit. And then I'm going to be using the same Warm Honey to clean them up. I know sometimes eyebrows are really hard to, work with, but I'm just gonna go on the top and just clean them up as well. I'm gonna start with my foundation. I'm gonna switch it up today, guys. I'm gonna start with my foundation instead of my eyes. Okay guys, for foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in Toffee. That is number 330. For my beauty blenders, I'll be using this Sonia beauty blenders, and these came in two. There were two of them like this, in a pack, and they were $7 from the drugstore as well. So I love this. They're nice and cushy. They're very nice. They feel, when you use them, they're really, really nice. So I'm just going to take my foundation and, pour a little bit on my beauty blender. And this Maybelline foundation was $6, so yeah. So I'm just gonna dab all over my face. And you know, ooh, I love the coverage. I really love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, guys. You know, this is like my everyday work kind of foundation. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have my other foundations, but this one is like everyday because it's affordable. The coverage is so good and you look so flawless. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna take it on my lids as well, okay, guys? Oh my gosh, I like how it blends. It just like blends very well on my skin. I love that. What? Maybelline! Okay, sisters. Maybelline is my go-to everyday kind of foundation, guys. I love this foundation. So I'm just gonna go down, you know, to my neck as well, so you don't get like, you know, you don't look like you're wearing a mask or whatever. Okay, guys, so I'm done with the foundation. Anyway, so for my concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline as well. Okay, eraser, instant rewind eraser. That is my favorite, hands down, concealer. I love this concealer. It works very well. It looks amazing. So you guys make sure you try this. And this is in 150. That's the Neutralizer. And this is really nice, guys. You just twist this. So make sure you don't twist it too much because you get too much product on this little, you know, blender right here. So just twist a little bit like that and it works very well, like the way I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes. You know, you're just taking it from here and don't go too far because when you blend it out, you don't want it to go all the way to your hair. You know what I'm saying? So like take it under eyes and right there. Don't go too low as well. So I'm just gonna use this over under my eyes and on my chin. And then, you know, just a little highlight on my nose, you know, as well. And then just like a little triangle on my forehead. And then like on your cheeks right here, just a little bit so you know you have a little definition. Okay? Using the other beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend everything out. So just blend it out like that, see? If I took it all the way down, then I would have to be blending it all the way to my, you know, my mouth or whatever, my cheek. So now. And then I'm just gonna, you know, blend everything out. You know, these are the places that I want to like highlight more. You know, I want it to look different than the rest of my face, so make sure you do that. Okay, and then right here too, I'm just gonna push it all the way up like that, you know, like blending it in with the rest of my forehead and just a little dab on my nose. For my contour, I'm going to be using this Maybelline in dark. This is the City Bronzer, you know, so I'm using this. This is the 300, okay. Contour a little bit because today's contour again is for beginners, so we're not doing too much. You know, just to make those cheekbones pop out. Okay, and I'm just gonna contour my nose with this. Okay, so just a little bit like that up there from my bone right there, my brow bone right there, and then just bring it down just like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to take that and, you know, go over my hairline just a little bit, so you know I have a big forehead so I can, like, you guys by now already know the forehead gang is stronger. To set my highlight, I'm using this black Radiance loose powder. So the other side, I'm just gonna just turn it around like this and just dab a little bit, you know. then over here as well, just a little bit on my I just like to go over on my bridge as well, guys. And then I'm gonna dab off the excess like over on my forehead and on my nose and here as well as here. I'm just gonna leave this, you know, to bake under my eyes, but also I just want any excess eyeshadow that I have that's gonna be falling on my face, I just wanted to grab that so it's not like all over my face. For my eyeshadow, guys, I'm gonna be using this NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Edit. Okay, so I'm using this one right here. This is so cute. It is so nice, so affordable. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this goldish color, yellowish color right here. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm just using this fluffy brush, you know, just tap off the excess. So I'm gonna start by, you know, just applying that all over my crease area. Oh, it's not too bad. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of my Milani Makeup Last setting spray on this one, on this little brush. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking this little green color right here and, you know, just dab a little bit. And, you know, just packing it on my lid. Alright, so for my eyeliner, guys, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Hypereasy Brush Tip Liner. So, alright. Just gonna, you know, take my powder off, you know, my excess powder that I had. For my lashes, I'll be using this Wispies, Ardell Wispies. I love these lashes, guys. These are my go-to, my favorites. So I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me in 334. That's the Warm Sun. You know. Just all over my face. You know, just to make sure everything blends out well. For my blush, I'll be using this Milani in Rose number 2. I'm going to be using this Kiss Glow and Bronzer Powder, and this is for the face and the body, so I like to use it on my body as well, you know, when I'm wearing something sassy. But right now I'm going to be using this for my highlight, and, you know, I'm just going to highlight a little bit right there. Alright, and then I'm just going to highlight my nose as well, you know, just a little bit right there. And then I'm also going to highlight right here on my mouth, right here. And on my forehead, you know. I'm going to use a little bit of the spray on this brush and just go in with the green, you know, a little bit of the green. There we go. Be for my corners right here, I'm going to be using this gold, you know, from the highlight. So just take a little bit and apply that right there. So okay, so I'm gonna be using Maybelline Great Lash Mascara because I gotta blend my falsies with my reals. My falsies and my reals. Don't forget your mascara now, because you want the two to blend. Okay? For my lip liner, I'm going to be using this NYX lip liner, and this is the Rose. For my lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Color Stay. This is in, oh, Stay Exceptional. I am going to be using my spray. That's the Milani spray. I'm just gonna okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like this drugstore, you know, makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys are feeling the Maybelline, because I am, and let me know if you guys want to see another drugstore, you know, L'Oreal or whatever. Let me know. But for now, this is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Help you get to 50K, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, everything. Yes, guys. So I threw on an RPG show wig that I got last year. I love this wig. Yeah, but otherwise, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. Bye.